Hi everybody and welcome back to HardReset.info channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix that only one earbud is working in your TCL MoveAudio S200. So first we need to open settings, and here we have to open connect devices. On your iPhone we have to do it too. Then here on the Android phone, scroll all the way down to Connect Preferences and Bluetooth. Here, turn off Bluetooth. The same you have to do on the iPhone. Now you can take the phone away and focus on the earbuds itself. Take them out of the case. Check if there is some dust over here. If there is, you have to clean it. To know how to clean it, you have to check our channel because we have a video for that. Then try charging your headphones up to 100%. It's because your headphones did not charge when it was dirty inside. Now after 20 seconds, take the phone back here, let me unlock it, and turn on Bluetooth back again. Now check if you can connect and if your headphones work. If it don't work, you have to do a hard reset. To know how to do a hard reset, check out because we have a video for that. And if it didn't work for you, you have to contact the device support because your device may be broken. That's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.